Hey guys, we are back again. We are here to give you another update for the project, and right now we have been able to control the robot with 3 functions, and it is being chosen by a switch, and the switch is wired to the Arduino itself, and we will explain the 3 modes later in this video. And now we will show you how it works. Okay, here's the robot and the new brain. Actually, we redo the brain and it currently looks like this. We add 3 buttons to the main board, and Josh will explain the rest of the robot to you.
Basically, we keep all the function that we introduced at the last time, and we only added a button in here to switch the function one by one. So for the beginning of the reset state, so we reset it, and now the robot will do nothing. It's just in the standby mode, and when you push the start button, this is the start button, so when you push, it will execute the function you want it to do, but now it's in the standby mode, so it won't do anything. So as you can see, the robot is stay still and doing nothing. And
so this is basically the rest mode.
Yes, and actually we choose the function like this. So in here you can see we got a send button in here.
Yep,
this one
switch.
Yeah, and this one. So when you push the switch, the Arduino, inside the Arduino, actually the function is switched like this. So
yep,
you can switch from the function one by the next one like this. So now this is the rest mode. So I push one time,
it will become the first mode.
Yeah,
is that correct?
The basic movement on the ground.
Yep.
So we introduced it last time that the robot will follow the
direction of the
chip.
gyro.
Yeah. So now we started. Yeah, as you can see, it will follow the chip. What chip is doing? Just turn around, move forward, backward, like this. Yeah. So, and if we want to stop it, we just close the button. So now the function is stop, and we can switch to the next one. So now I push the button again.
So we are now in mode 2.
Yeah, and mode 2 is the climbing stair function. So now I push the start button, and so when I push the, okay, I'll explain later.
So we will turn its legs to climb these boxes, if this box is a stair. Yeah. And the middle stick that you see, later we will mount some counterweight to change the center of the mass of the robot, so it will help the robot to move forward and climb the stairs. Yeah. Yes, this is the center mass.
Yes.
We just haven't plugged it in yet, because this has just been printed just now, and in the center there has been some plastic left that we need to clean to be able to put the stick inside the track.
Yeah, so basically when I push the button, the center weight will switch first to forward side, and then the arm will rotate, and after the rotate, the heavy weight things will switch back, and then the arm will
tip
back
tip
to
forward.
What the beginning? I don't know how.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, actually,
it will tip to its original position.
Yeah. And now we switch
to the
push
third
the button
mode
again to the third mode, and this is the balance mode. And actually, we need to turn the robot upside down to let only one leg touch on the ground.
So for the balance mode, what we are actually trying to do is to make the robot stand on the ground like this. Yeah. It will be standing on the ground with one wheels, and it will try to balance itself, so it will move back and forth, and Josh will demonstrate it to you.
Yeah, and for the third mode, we will put.
Oops.
Yeah, we will put the chip on the robot so it can help it balance. But now we just demoed it by my hand. You can assume this is the robot body. So actually it will just try to keep balance when the robot is fall into another side or to another side.
So it's basically almost the same as the first mode, but it adds some functionality to it.
Yeah, so as you can see, when the chip is
moving back and forth.
yeah, and the robot will try to
And
keep up.
one thing to note is when you see this wheel is not very smooth, it's probably because the gear has been worn out. I mean the gears on the wheels. Yep. I mean this gear is easily worn out because it's made out of plastic and there's a lot of friction there. It's the material, I guess. We can't help it and we just need to bear with it, and maybe we'll print a new gear to replace the old one to make it smoother.
Yes, and so when we push the button again, then it will back to the rest mode.
Yes, the resting mode.
Yeah, so it will, like a circle, you will just switch between all four functions. So that's how we do it.
Yep. Okay guys, so that's it for today's update. We hope you like it, and you find this video informative. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next update. Bye bye.